So we're gonna go from a fly and a champagne for 15. Then we're gonna go to the chest press for 15, and then 10 pull-ups. All right, we're gonna run 3 of those. I'm gonna challenge you right from the start and give you these 20s. All right, so 1, all right, and 2. So this will be a regular fly as normal. Remember, when you do the fly, start from the top, don't start from the bottom. You're gonna do the chest fly, put them back together, come down, press them back up together, and go back out to your fly. Alternate between those 2. All right, 15, let's see how they look. All right, remember to start up top for your fly. All right, big inhale. All right, let's go 4. Perfect. All right, then down and up. 1, good. Yep, good 2, I like that. Breathe in, breathe out, good. That's good money. Good 3, yes. Looking good, brother. You're 4, come on. Yes, and we up, way to work it. You're 5, good, come on. And we up, good. You're 6, yes, 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 come on. You're all right, we up. You're 7, good. Stay with it, stay with it. Morning, Chris. All right, we up. This is your number 8. Those look good, brother. Take me to 15. Up 9, good. All right, don't lose it, don't lose it. It's your 10, we up. Good. Okay, we gotta get 5. Looking good, bro. And we up. And out your 1. Way to eat, way to eat, way to eat. We up. Your 2. Good. Come on. Way to work it, way to work it. All right, your 3. Good. Come on. All right, 2 more. Come on. Your 4. Good. Yes. Give me another one. Give me another one. Come on. Up. Give it up. All right, my brother, put him in the rack. Good set. Awesome. Way to eat. All right, look, we're at 85. Bottom handle still. Give me 15. I'm then going to take you to 55. Give me another 15. All right, last set. We're driving. All right, here we go. Your 1, good. 2, good. 3, good. 4, good. Your 5, good. 6, that's pretty, brother. 7, good. Come on. 8, I like that. 9, come on. 10, good. 1, come on. 2, good. 3, stay with me. 4, come on. Set. Oh yeah. Okay, you gotta do it one more time for me. One more time. One more time. Ready when you're ready. Come on with it. Come on with it. Give me another 15. That's gonna work. Come on. Heat 1, good. Heat 2, good. Heat 3, good. Heat 4, they look good. Heat high, come on. 6, finish him. 7, good. Easy 8, keep digging. Your 9, come on. Your 10, good. Your 5, come on. For 4, way to work. 3, double him up. 2, get out of there. Good set. My man. Come out that first set.
20.
Where we coming out this set?
25.
My man. Yes. All right, my brother, you might have to dig a little bit on this one, though. I want you to try to keep the 15 still. All right, easy work. Big inhale, big exhale. Set number 2. Not so deep. Okay, looks good. All right, we up. We're gonna go wide, but not so deep. All right, your 2. I like that. We up. In and out. Your 3. Way to work. In and out. Come on. Your 4. Stay on it. It's your set. It's your money ball. It's your set. Your 5. Good. 3. Come on. Oh yeah, this that 1. You gotta lock in now. You gotta lock in. Good. Come on. Your 8. Yes. Way to work it. I need you, brother. Come on. 9. Good. We up. All right. And your 10. Come on. Eat. Good. Here's your 1. Come on. Yes. Yeah, brother. Big chest. Your 2. Eat. Come on. There you go. Here's your 3. Yeah. Come on. Eat. Here's your 4. Good. Give me 1 more. Come on. Eat. Oh yeah, brother. Put him in the rack. Good set. Way to eat. Way to eat. Yes. Yes.